Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2018 QX80. This one is equipped with almost every available option you can get. Deluxe technology package, theater package, equipped with all the safety and technology you could get in 2018. Look at this beautiful quilted leather interior. You have it on the doors. You have the leather trim and stitching on the center console. Beautiful wood trim. Leather stitching and contrast stitching on the steering wheel. This one is a clean Carfax vehicle, serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? I've been with Infiniti for about 15 years, and the QX80 is one of my favorites. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with Japanese build quality, the QX80 is one of your few and only choices. You do have the Lexus LX570, but this is actually bigger than the LX570. So it's a truly full-size SUV, where the Lexus LX570 is like 75% or 80% full-size. Heated and cooled front seats, 7-speed automatic transmission, heated cooled front, didn't I already say that? Heated cooled front seats, Bose Performance Series sound system, navigation, rear parking camera, 360-degree around view monitor, backup collision intervention, moving object detection. New for 2018, it has an electronic rear view mirror, so you have an unobstructed view behind you. They also restyled the interior and exterior a little bit for 2018. They added more soundproofings, and I also believe they made some revisions to the suspension as well. Full speed intelligent cruise control from 0 to 90 miles per hour, forward emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, lane departure warning, lane departure intervention, heated steering wheel. Really beautiful color combination. I love the Hermosa blue. This one also has the 22-inch wheel and tire package. 20-inch wheels are standard, but I think if you're gonna get a QX80, you gotta get the 22s. It really makes the look of the vehicle. This also has a second row captain's chairs. A split bench was also an option. The captain's chair is a little bit more comfortable and luxurious than the split bench seat. Wireless headphones, heated second row seats. There is a rear entertainment system, all-season floor mats. Third row space is not too bad. The QX80 is built on rugged body and frame truck-based architecture. Car-based SUVs are the craziest days, built on car-based unibody architecture, which is good for gas mileage and car-like driving dynamics, but when it comes to towing, going off roads, hauling weight, you can't beat the ruggedness and durability of body-on-frame construction like this QX80. Third row seats will power fold down, up and down, and they also have buttons right there, so the rear third row seat occupants can also power recline their seats, making those third row seats actually pretty comfortable compared to a lot of the competition. Underneath that cover right there is a tow hitch. When properly equipped, the QX80 can tow about 8,500 pounds. This one is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned. No gimmicks, no restocking fees, no exchanging it for another vehicle. It is 100% money back. The QX80 is built in Japan. Not all Japanese brands these days are built in Japan, but the QX80 is the real deal. So if you value that Japanese build quality, the QX80 delivers. The QX80 is based off of Nissan's global Patrol platform. The Nissan Patrol is sold in other countries. It's kind of like Nissan's version of the Land Cruiser. I believe even some militaries here, I don't know if the Japanese are, but I know it's used in certain militaries. It's for like their version of the Hummer military vehicle, kind of like the British will use like Range Rovers or Land Rover Defenders as their military vehicles. The heart of the QX80 is this direct injection 5.6 liter V8, makes 400 horsepower, so this thing is pretty quick. Look at those beautiful projector lights. You have this nice LED daytime running strip. The front end was restyled for 2018. That's probably one of the biggest, most prominent differences. The front end styling, it really is a handsome vehicle. If you happen to live in a different part of the country, we have experience selling cars and trucks all over the country. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. Contact us for more details. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.